Well, we've got a real muscle car here for you today. It's a genuine road runner that's just had a complete restoration from the bottom up. I literally, for the last hour, have been looking through a stack of paperwork, putting together the ad for this car. The paperwork's all included. There's pictures of it down to just a bare shell. And stick around because I'm going to fire this bad boy up in a minute. But that is a new 432 Indy Hemi motor. It's got a fast fuel injection system on it, MSD ignition, TTI headers, aluminum radiator with the dual fans, 4-speed transmission, a new 354 posi. And I said a lot of this stuff's new. There's 30 grand under the hood of this car, and we've got the receipts and documentation, got all the specs, horsepower. Let me check my notes here. 519 horsepower, 490 pounds of torque, and that's on a dyno machine. You'll get that paperwork with it. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes underneath. It's got upgraded bushings. It's got gas shocks. That big fat exhaust system, which you'll hear in a minute. The underside's painted body color. It's all metal. And it's painted this color underneath. It's got welded in frame rails so it doesn't twist with all that horsepower. It's a beautifully restored car. Comes with documentation, paperwork. Go to volocars.com. You'll see all the pictures. You'll see underneath the car. And again, any questions, we can answer them because we got great documentation with this car. Yeah, we'll do a little spin around here and talk about it. It's gorgeous. The clear coat finish is just, it looks wet. The choice of wheels, I think you did an awesome job. I think it looks great. The trim and the chrome sparkles. Real nice custom interior, custom seats, painless wiring system. It does have power steering and power brakes. Get in it and start it up. The dash has been restored by Just Dashes. That certainly is awesome. That's music to my ears. There's a stereo in there, but that's my stereo right there. So if you like what you see, go to volocars.com. You'll see all the information. This car is for sale, of course. We have hundreds of cars for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We put cool stuff like this on all the time. Our cars just seem to be getting better and better and cooler and cooler. Any questions, we'd be more than happy to answer them for you.